Hi, today I have Motorola Moto S50 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store application are not visible on it. To fix it, tap on your game selection and choose your photo on the right corner. Now settings, family and parental controls. As you can see, now we have page 3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it. Now enter your connect pin, and there we can change it from page 0 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try set Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!